That last branch almost hit me in the head.
I know, that's why I ducked.
I was playing around with the phone, didn't look ahead, you know, bow, duck. This is so nice in here. Hey? I'm happy I found this path. I should continue down the further on across the street there. Look at the little creek. Yeah, it's a little Speedo Gonzales there in front of me taking up on me. Now you're gonna slow down? Yeah, that's it, eh? Lean, lean! You can do it! Ah! And people wonder why I got an e-bike, eh? Just to do this. Enjoy life. Nobody bothers you out here. Peaceful. What are you scaring now? Get out of the way, squirrel. Beep beep. We're driving up to the Rogers Center. It's an open field or open parking lot where there's nobody around, which is pretty nice. Gives you a chance to drive straight out anywhere you want. Don't worry about anybody hitting you or running into a pole or anything like that. Wide turn. There's Dixie Road. Oh, we can do it. There you go. Nice and easy. Balmoral Drive. Balmoral Drive. Balmoral. Okay. Oh yeah, that feels nice on the wheels. I like those brakes. Keep an eye on her, and you see the brake lights in the back. She's got flashers too. Alright. Go ahead, you can do it. There's the Rogers parking lot. Now you go anywhere you want, full speed ahead. There's nobody usually here on Sunday. This is where I go to test out bikes. I guess there's nobody around, so you can go as fast as you want. Let's see if I get a reflection. There we go. Oh, just doing a reflection thing. Add more air to my tire so it's not as noisy. Before it was a little spongy with the knobby wheels. Gail had to stop because she wanted to put some music on. You believe that? I want to hear this. Come on. Crank it up. If I knew why I listened to music, I would have brought my Bluetooth speaker and we could have listened to some tunes. Can you hear it?
Yeah. It's just pain in the butt getting it back in.
That's why you buy the biggest phone. It doesn't fit in the bag. Go! Ooh, cruising. There you go. Can't get any better than that. Cruising around listening to music. You and your stop signs. Nobody here. Stop.
Obeying the law.
I'm obeying the law. You're not going to give me a ticket on my trike.
You're on private property there, Frank.
I'm going to give you a ticket for going too slow. Speed up. Driving like a turtle. There you go. Now we're talking. I got to change speeds. There you go. Speed bump. That was a big speed bump.
Oh, look, he's there, Joe. Becky.
Hi, duckies.
Hi, guys.
Hi, duckies. I see duckies. Whoa. Those aren't ducks, they're geese. Let me see your glasses. I think I gotta clean them out. Hi, duckies. Oh. Phil, where are you? You're not here this weekend.